Today I'll be showing you how to create an application in your discover.mta.ca account. When you log into your Discover account, you will be able to view the home page with your applications. Under My Applications, you will be able to start, continue, and submit applications. If you haven't already done so, select Create a New Application. Select Start a New Undergraduate Application. Your anticipated entry term is the month and year that you would like to start at Mount Allison. Select the most appropriate date from the drop-down menu. You will also select the academic program you would like to apply to in the second drop-down. Hit Submit. The first page in the application is the home page. Please read the information carefully, noting that the red asterisks are required and automatic logout occurs after every 25 minutes. Begin entering your contact information and address. Please note that some information will populate from when you first created your Discover account. On this page, you will also find our social media details. Please feel free to provide us with your social media details as well. Provide us with your home-based mailing address, selecting if your permanent address is outside of Canada or the United States. After clicking Save and Continue, the next section is where you can enter your personal information, including your birth date, birth country, and your first language. If your first language is not English, select No, and select your first language from the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate Canadian citizenship status. You can also opt to self-identify as Indigenous, a person with a documented disability or condition, and/or first-generation student if applicable. After clicking Save and Continue, you can proceed with entering your family information and if you have an MTA alumni connection. Provide information for your parent and/or legal guardian. Select if you would like to have this individual access information relating to admissions. Be sure to enter their email address. The Academic Information section allows you to select your intended degree program, entry term, course load, and basis of application. Please read through the basis of application carefully and select the correct basis. You can change your intended degree program here or leave it the same. Select the correct basis of application, which is essentially your highest level of education. Please select your course load from the drop-down menu, noting that international applicants must select a full-time course load. The next step is to enter your previous academic history, including secondary studies, post-secondary studies, and any other additional advanced courses and testing information. To add a high school, select Add High School and begin typing the name of your high school. Search results will appear. Please select the correct one. Please add any post-secondary studies undertaken if applicable. Additional advanced courses and testing information includes the SAT exam, ACT exam, British A-levels if you have completed AP or IB courses or are a member of NBISP, NSISP, or CIS. Mount Allison only requires students to submit one application for both admission and scholarship consideration. This next section details entrance and major scholarships, allowing you to list activities, work experience, and achievements. You can also select other major scholarships you would like to be considered for. To add an activity, select Add Activity. You can then search the name of the activity using the drop-down and select the correct one. You can also add any further information you would like us to know about this activity. Please note that Mount Allison also offers 2 major scholarships that require additional information beyond this application. Please select if you would like to be considered for these scholarships. You can find more information at mta.ca/scholarships. Mount Allison also offers other major scholarships that do not require any additional documentation beyond this application. You can visit mta.ca/scholarships to see if you would like to be considered for any of the following scholarships. Below is a list of criteria that will help us match you with available financial aid opportunities. Select if applicable. If you are in financial need and intend to apply for student loans or student line of credit, select this box to be considered for any entrance bursaries offered by Mount Allison. The last page in the application is where you can include any additional information that you would like us to consider that you were not able to provide in previous sections. Using the drop-down, please identify your top 3 factors that influence your decision to apply to Mount Allison. Read carefully the certifications and sign and date the application. You are able to preview your application before submission and make any changes. You can also save your application and continue it later. Once you submit your application, you will be prompted to pay the $50 application fee. If you submit your application and you did not enter the required fields, you will receive a notification. You can click the link and it will take you to where you missed. Submit the application if you would like your application to be considered complete by the university.